Pictory is an AI-powered video creation platform built for turning scripts, blog posts, and long-form videos into short, polished content. It's designed for marketers and solo creators who need quick, engaging videos without heavy editing skills. The biggest strength is its automation. You can generate videos from text, add captions, and even repurpose long YouTube content into short clips, all with AI handling most of the heavy lifting. It also includes a stock library and a simple brand customization, making it easy to stay consistent across platforms. But there are drawbacks. Some creators on Reddit report that the AI-generated visuals can feel generic, requiring manual tweaking for a truly professional look. Others note that rendering times can be slower on longer projects. Pricing starts around $23 per month for the standard plan. Let's see if we can go to the pricing right now to see what's up. Oh yeah, okay. So the starter right here is 25 and it's now gone to 19. I think it's, this is with annual pricing. All right, so it's about 25. And then you've got the premium, which is the professional one, which is up to 49. And if you pay annually, it's $29. Both include AI captions and stock footage, but watermarks only disappear on the pay plans. Overall, Pictory AI is a strong tool for quick, social-friendly content. And if you need granular editing control or high unique visuals, problem is pairing it with traditional editors or other AI tools. That's the premium way to do it. So if you've used Pictory in your workflow, let me know if it actually speeds up production or just adds another step, and I'll catch you in the next video.